The Danish King's garden sculptures 2-3 monks and the street of short leg. To enter to the Danish King's garden there are two ways. One way through the long short leg street from the bottom city to the upper city, and another way, this is the main entrance, let's to say, Yuhike Yang, the name of this gate. Yes, as you see on the photo, this is the main entrance. The park itself is very small, but it's very historical. Why? Because in the beginning of 13th century, Danish troops landed here, and there was a military camp. But Estonian army, they attacked Danish troops, so unexpectedly the Danish troops were in disaster. And according to the legend, the bishops climbed to this hill and called to the god for help. Suddenly a large red canvas with a striped white cross fell from the sky. Dannebrog was the name, and since that time it was a governmental flag of the Denmark. So yes, on this picture you see exactly this event when this flag came down to the land. And now at this place we see this scout of night with the flag of Denmark. So I can say that this place is mostly historical affair for Danish people and for Estonian ones. Anyway, also there are sculptures from this place. You can overlook for example, surrounding roofs. Yes, and Niguliste church, as far as I remember the name of this church. And also there are 3 sculptures of monks, and waiting monk Ambrosi, its name, praying monk Bartholomew, and observing monk Claudius. Yes. And by the way, this is Danish garden at winter time, in the winter evening time. If you know that at winter the daytime is very short and the night begins maybe around 3 o'clock p.m. Yes. So about these monks, these sculptures generally they are not historical figures, and they were installed here in 2015. And I found a lot of remarks in the internet from local people that said that generally why the government decided to put these figures of the monks, because especially at night they liked ghosts and monks. Yes, I agree with them. Let's delete them, blah blah blah. But anyway, I think this is just a marketing way to attract some foreign tourists. And I think local government they gain this goal. Anyway, so then some short photos about this once again, and also some historical information about our further object short the street short leg. Generally, initially, if you know, there were two parts of the city, Tallinn, bottom city and upper city, Tompe in Estonian language. So this is a gate, and initially it was the only gate entrance to the upper city, and only rich people used to live there. And then at night these gates were closing, and this street itself is very short. That's why I don't know why, but people call it short leg. And it's very narrow. And lately, already in 14th century, there was built another more longer street, but a little bit wider, long leg. So in Tallinn there are 2 streets, long leg and short leg. Generally there are a lot of souvenirs and nothing like for tourists. But this is the main one of the main entrance, especially now to the upper city. Generally, as you see, the streets maybe 100 meters length, so the streets are finished already. But especially in daytime and summertime, there are a lot of